Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In this video, in honor of Memorial Day here in the United States, I am going to be using this color palette, which is also part of the Friday Night Flip Cup Color Palette Challenge in a reverse de pour. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. So in this painting today, I am going to be using Titanium White from Amsterdam, Deco Art Sterling Silver, Liquitex Basics Heavy Body Quinacridone Red Orange, Rust-Oleum Metallic Ruby, Prussian Blue from Master's Touch, and Artist Loft Metallic Blue. For my background color, I will be using Soft Body Acrylic paint from Artist Loft, and I put a touch of unbleached titanium white from Liquitex Basics. So let's get our base laid down, our colors on, and let's do this pour. Alright, I'm going to pull this up in one solid pull. Alright, so let's tip this. If you like this video, please click this link to see more. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.